SK technology stands for precision and efficiency in CNC manufacturing. To ensure both remain guaranteed even as complexity grows, SK Technology teamed up with Coscom to create a fully integrated digital solution. The requirements were demanding. 3 different CAM systems had to be seamlessly connected, along with the tool presetting device and various CNC machines. At the same time, legacy data had to be migrated, cleaned up, and the processes aligned flexibly from lot size 1 to series production. The solution: the Coscom ecosystem, delivering a consistent data structure and intelligent integration across all relevant systems. Today, NC programs can be retrieved immediately. Tool data is kept up to date everywhere, connected to MES and web apps. Behind it all lies the Coscom ecosystem. What can this modular system do? First, it establishes a connection to existing ERP and MES systems. Second, CAD tool data is transformed into digital twins and used for simulations. The Tool Director VM controls the entire tool cycle, from storage to issue to the assembly of complete tools. The actual data determined by Zoller is delivered via Coscom directly to 125 CNC machines. Factory Director VM ensuring all production information is securely documented, while InfoPoint VM delivers real-time data right to the shop floor. Today, around 25 NC programs run daily with a single click. The tool data for the CAM systems, Hypermill, Mastercam, and Top Solid, is supplied automatically from the Tool Director VM. 13,200 tool combinations from 9,000 individual components are available for fast workflows and maximum flexibility. Coscom and SK Technology, a project that demonstrates digitalization is not a goal, but a tool for sustainable success.